Your journey with English starts with a single thought. You can do more. English is a key that unlocks unseen doors. It connects your local world to a global stage. Smart learning means using the language in ways that work for you. Imagine a world of opportunities. Better jobs, studying abroad. Join a global conversation. Mistakes are stepping stones, not roadblocks. Your courage is your most important tool. You're building a skill that will serve you for life. Let's unlock the power of words and build the future you deserve. Confidence isn't something you're born with. It's something you build. In English, confidence is the music behind your words. Change your inner voice. Replace "I'll make a mistake" with "I can do this. My English gets better every day." Celebrate small victories. Each step strengthens your foundation. Visualize real-life situations, presenting, chatting with friends. Focus on being clear, not flawless. Smile, use body language, and be friendly. The journey to confidence starts with a single word. Speak it. You don't need a huge vocabulary to sound advanced, just the right phrases. Smart English speakers use simple, effective phrases to guide conversations. Try, "from my perspective," or "as I see it," to introduce your point. Add ideas with "furthermore" or "in addition to that." Practice these phrases and you'll sound more polished instantly. Start using them today. Watch your English transform. Grammar can feel overwhelming, but you don't need every rule to speak well. Smart learners focus on what matters for clear communication. Master simple tenses first, present, past, and future. I work here. I worked here yesterday. I will work here tomorrow. Use modal verbs like can, could, should, and might to express ability, possibility, and politeness. I can help you. Could you pass the salt? Focus on these, not obscure rules. Keep sentences short and clear. Subject, verb, object. Ramanujam learned English. He found a better job. Connect short sentences with and, but, or so. Don't stress over articles like a, an, or the. Even advanced speakers make mistakes with them. If unsure, make your best guess and move on. Your message is more important than tiny grammar mistakes. Focus on simple tenses, modal verbs, and clear structure. This smart approach speeds up your progress. Speak simply, speak clearly, and you'll be understood. That's smart English. Speaking clearly isn't about losing your accent. It's about being understood. Focus on tricky sounds to improve clarity. Practice the difference between V, very, and W, we. For V, touch your top teeth to your bottom lip. For W, round your lips. Master the theeth sounds, soft, think, and voiced, this. Place your tongue gently behind your top teeth and blow air for think. Add vocal vibration for this. Many learners replace these with T or D. Practice the correct position in front of a mirror. Vowel length matters, ship versus sheep. Practice minimal pairs. Live, leave, sit, seat. Exaggerate long sounds at first to train your mouth. Word stress is key. Every multi-syllable word has a stressed syllable. Important. Beautiful. Stressing the wrong syllable makes words hard to understand. Listen to native speakers and repeat the stress pattern. Use online dictionaries with audio to practice. With attention to these details, your speech will be much clearer. Don't aim for perfection. Aim for understanding. Practice daily, and your confidence will soar. Clear pronunciation opens doors. Make it your goal. Meet Ramanujam Santo, a smart, hard-working man from a small town. He dreamed big, but English held him back. In meetings, he stayed silent, unable to share his ideas. He felt invisible until he decided to learn English the smart way. Ramanujam focused on practical skills and confidence, not just grammar. He practiced daily, starting small. Mistakes didn't stop him, they taught him. He used simple phrases in meetings. "In my opinion," "Could you clarify?" His efforts were noticed. He got a project with an overseas team. Nervous but prepared, he used clear sentences and asked for clarification. He succeeded and gained confidence. Today, Ramanujam leads a team at a multinational company. He travels, speaks with clients worldwide, and expresses his ideas clearly. His income doubled, but more importantly, he's proud and visible. His story proves, with the right method and belief, you can transform your life. It all started with a decision to learn smart. Your story can be next. Take the first step, just like Ramanujam. Focus on communication, not perfection. Every small effort adds up. Believe in your ability to change. The world is waiting for your voice. Start now. Ramanujam's story is inspiring, but it's not unique. Thousands have transformed their lives with belief and action. The power to change is inside you right now. It starts with a decision. Invest in yourself. Make your dream specific. Write it down and keep it visible. Your why fuels your journey. When you feel tired, remember your dream. Your past doesn't define your future. Let go of old failures. They were just practice. This time, you have new tools and a smarter method. Forgive yourself and start fresh. Every expert was once a beginner. The only difference is they kept going. Consistency and belief are your strongest assets. Start today. Believe in your ability to improve. Language can change your life. Your success story is waiting to be written. You are the author. The first chapter begins now. Believe in yourself. Take action. Mastering English isn't a finish line, it's a lifelong journey. Think of it as tending a garden. It needs regular care. Even after fluency, there's always more to learn. Lifelong learning keeps your mind sharp and your life interesting. The world changes. New words, new ways to communicate. Make English part of your daily life. Change your phone's language. Watch shows in English. Listen to music or podcasts. Read about topics you enjoy in English. Find ways to make learning fun and natural. Be curious. Look up new words. Try new phrases. Explore cultures. Curiosity turns learning into an adventure. You'll learn about the world, not just the language. Continuous effort brings big rewards. A sharp mind, better communication, and new perspectives. Successful people never stop learning. Don't see fluency as the end. See it as a milestone. Embrace self-improvement as a lifelong habit. Make learning a joy, not a chore. Stay open, stay curious. Your journey never ends. Enjoy every step. We've explored smart English, practical tips, and inspiring stories. But knowledge is useless without action. Ideas change lives only when you act on them. The gap between where you are and where you want to be is bridged by action, starting today. Opportunities are everywhere, but they don't wait. Right now, there's a special chance. Join a smart learning program at a 50% discount. This isn't just a discount, it's your sign to start. Imagine yourself a year from now, confident, successful, proud. The choice is yours. Stay the same or take the first step. Invest in yourself and your future. The cost of action is small compared to the cost of missed opportunity. Don't let fear or doubt hold you back. You have the potential, the dream, and now the opportunity. Seize it. This is your moment. Write your own success story. Join a community of smart learners transforming their lives. Let us guide and support you. The journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single step. Take that step now. Your future self will thank you.